Hey guys, welcome back to Food Vision Media DIY. Today I'm going to get into how to make rice in a rice cooker. Yes, I said it. How to make rice in a rice cooker. Okay, so we're going to be using white rice, whether it be long grain, short grain, that's your choice. Bottled water, if you prefer to use the tap, that's your business. We're also going to be needing a spoon, a measuring tool, and some salt. All right, moving forward, I got my rice measured out, 2 cups. All right, I'm gonna be using that water there, as I said before, but not to rinse it out. So we're gonna go ahead and look at this measuring tool that I already pre-measured. Just for my preference, usually it's 1 cup of water per rice, but we're gonna just freestyle it, eyeball it. That's how I do it. So like I said, let's go ahead over to the sink to rinse this out. Okay, so when we're rinsing it out, we want to make sure that it's clear, but not too clear. So my preference is not to rinse it too much to where all the nutrients in the rice will be gone. So I feel like this color is perfect for me. Like I said, everyone has their own preference. So if you like your water crystal clear, it's up to you. It's your business. So we're going to go ahead and pour out the rest of that water, drain it out. All right, some got stuck on my hand there, which is totally fine. That's normal. And hop over back to the rice cooker. So first thing we're gonna do is plug it up because we can't do anything without it being on, of course. We're gonna go ahead and pour the rice inside of the rice cooker. I'm gonna remove the bowl so that way I can help you guys see better. Okay, so we're gonna pour the rice inside. Pour. You don't have to get everything out. We're not perfect. No one's perfect. So, I mean, if you are a stickler, you want to get every piece of rice out, that's your choice. Okay, we're going to use the measuring tool that it's not really a measuring tool, but the knife that I already marked a little bit for my preference. And we're going to use the water in the bottle to pour inside of the rice. Let's go ahead and pour. Maybe you can get an accurate measurement by looking at me pour the water to see exactly how much I used. You can see at the end how much water I have left in the bottle. But I'm just pouring up to that little line I have marked on the knife there. Okay, I'm just showing you guys. I'm going to be putting 1 teaspoon, but 2 little shakers there, like you see. And I'm going to be mixing it up with that spoon. Just slightly there. Tap. Put it down, and we're gonna put that bowl back inside of the rice cooker, and we're gonna switch it to cook. All right, looking good. Flash forward to about 15 minutes, and our rice is warm, which means it's done. So I'm gonna show you guys this beautiful, perfect rice. Look at that steam. Wow. Oh yeah, look how perfect that rice is. Let's get a close-up. Wow. That's awesome. Perfect from a rice cooker. I mean, some people say this is the lazy way to make rice, but honestly, if you're not perfect at making rice, this is the perfect way to make rice, okay? All right, guys, so I went ahead and plated it there perfectly for you all to see. I added a little bit of garnish there, and it looks lovely. So make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy videos on basic things, basic needs, basic recipes, or maybe a little complicated if you like. Have a good day, everyone. See you next time while I enjoy my rice.